Bitcoin has finally broken our major resistance level here at $41,500. And now the obvious question is, how high can we actually go before we see here any major retracement? And is this a legit move here to the upside without that we see here something like a bull trap? So that is something that I'm gonna show you and talk about in today's video. So definitely stick around here until the end and make sure that you smash up the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, to get here always the best content on YouTube. And now let's dive here directly into the charts without any further ado. So, and here on the daily chart, you can see we have here this upwards trending channel where we the higher low structure respecting here. So, and I had told you guys 3 days ago that we might see here a small fake out exactly here to the downside before we see here a move back to the upside and above $41,500. And lo and behold, that was exactly what we have seen here. I had taken a trade around $40,500, I think it was, all the way up to $41,600. Yeah, there I closed my trade yesterday because I knew we would see a small pullback on the lower time frames, and that was exactly what happened. Unfortunately, I was in a plane earlier, so that I could not catch here this move that we have seen here, where we regained control of the $41,500 area and moved now past $42,000. So when we are looking here now on the smaller time frames, for example, on the 12-hourly, we need here the 4-hourly. So we have broken back into our resistance block here. So, and Bitcoin is trending nicely here to the upside. So, but I'm wondering, is Bitcoin now in a state where we can reach here the top of this resistance level, $43,600, and see then a rejection back to the downside, because there will be, in my opinion, one more small pullback before we break through this, or will we actually see this way before $43,600 here at this upper resistance level? So for this, we can for once look at the stochastic RSI and on the MACD. So here on the stochastic RSI, we are in overbought conditions and flatlining here at the top, which is overall not a good sign. But we also want to take in consideration that the MACD is wide open here, which is then contradicting and a bullish sign in the immediate short term. So this can actually lead to that we see the top of the resistance range before we see a small pullback, so that the stochastic RSI can cool down, come back down here, while we most likely go here sideways around the $42,000 area, and then see a push through this resistance, flip this into support, and move here into higher levels. So another important indicator that we should definitely take into consideration is here the EMA ribbon. So the EMA ribbon is ready to flip here bullish again. So, and we were waiting for this for quite a while now, that the EMA ribbon is here flipping once again. So I'm waiting here that the yellow string is coming out of out on top and is flipping the ribbon here back into an uptrend, and that will be the moment where I will open a new long position. I will wait for this, that we see here a nice uptrend on the EMA ribbon before I open a new position, and preferably on the retest, because we always get a retest on the EMA ribbon, especially when the price is mooning away from it. At some point we get the retest, so, and either on the retest, or if we stay at these levels where we are right now and going sideways while the ribbon is flipping, that will be where I open a new long position. So, and if you want to open with me together a new long position, guys, remember you can open a position on BYBIT or on Phemex. So, and if you use my specific links here on BYBIT, there you still get $4,060 in free bonuses for using my specific link here. And on Phemex, you get $4,100 for using my specific link here. So definitely take advantage of that, guys. So, and when we are going now back to the Bitcoin chart, so there we are continuing to pump, which is amazing. So we can also see now here that our W pattern that I was also yesterday talking about, you can see that we have broken now the resistance. So in the best case scenario, we just continue to move here higher. So in the not so good scenario, which is still bullish, we get a retest here to the downside and then push back up and go all the way up to the target of that W pattern. I believe personally this pattern is not completely invalidated, because we have seen this, like I told you yesterday, in the past, where the Bitcoin price is forming a W shape, and then when at the moment where we should actually break up, which should have been here, we break actually lower than the lower low that we had here, and then get a V-shaped recovery, go up and break the resistance. And that is exactly what we see right now here. On the Bitcoin chart, we have broken this resistance and continue to trend here into higher levels. So that's basically it for now. So I don't believe that there is a major pullback coming right now in the immediate short term. I believe we could see here Bitcoin moving into much higher levels before we see any pullback. I believe the first potential pullback could come after touching $42,800. If we see a pullback, I don't believe that we get under the $41,500 level. And another point that I want to make here is when we go back here to our buy the dip chart, as I call it, with the market cycle, you can see that here the aversion is playing out exactly as it should. So we start to move up here. So for now, the Bitcoin price is following this pattern to the T. So, and we should see in the next coming days a major move here to the upside and touch our resistance of $47,600. So so unless we see any really massive negative news coming out, which would reverse the price to the downside and break under $41,500, I believe that we will see this move here in the next coming days, guys. So, and guys, if you want also to take advantage of my paid signals, where we are absolutely crushing it, especially when Bitcoin is going to the upside, but we're still crushing it also if it goes to the downside, join my paid signals group here. The calls, they are just amazing. The people that are in there, they are really loving our signals. Go to the free channel and ask around if you want to see some social proof. No problem. Ask in the group some people that are in the signals. You will see we are making their stunning gains every single day, every single week. So just reach out to my staff here and they will hook you up. Guys, that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'm finally also back here in Dubai, as you can see. So there's definitely amazing content coming. Don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, activate the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.